Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In part 1, we uncovered the roots of Taiwanese fried chicken. Now it's time to dive deeper into how it's made, the key ingredients, and the secrets behind its unbeatable flavor. Now that you know what makes Taiwanese fried chicken so special, where do you go to find it? From bustling street scenes to dedicated eateries, Taiwan offers many spots to experience this iconic dish. Knowing where to look helps you find the most authentic and delicious GP. Experiencing Taiwanese night markets. Highlight specific famous night markets in Taiwan known for their fried chicken. Night markets are the heart and soul of Taiwan's street food scene. They are the best places to find freshly made Taiwanese fried chicken. The aroma of spices and frying food fills the air, drawing you in. Here, vendors often specialize in 1 or 2 items, perfecting their recipes over years. Many famous night markets offer exceptional GP that you will not forget. Consider visiting these popular night markets. Shilan Night Market, Taipei. This is perhaps Taiwan's most famous night market. It's a must-visit for food lovers. You will find several GP stores here, each with its own loyal following. The sheer variety ensures you will find one to your liking. Roi Street Night Market, Taipei. Known for its traditional snacks, Roi also boasts fantastic fried chicken. Look for stalls with long lines. That's usually a good sign of quality. The atmosphere is vibrant, making the eating experience even better. Feng Chia Night Market, Taichung. Located in central Taiwan, this market is huge and incredibly diverse. It is a known hub for innovation in street food. Many unique fried chicken variations started here. You might find some surprising flavors you would not expect. Liuhe Night Market, Kaohsiung. In southern Taiwan, Liuhe offers a different vibe but equally delicious food. Its seafood is famous, but the fried chicken stalls hold their own. It is a great place to try GP in a different regional setting. At these markets, you can see the chicken being prepared right in front of you. This adds to the experience, making each bite even more satisfying. Notable fried chicken chains and restaurants. Mention well-known establishments in Taiwan and internationally that specialize in Taiwanese fried chicken. While night markets offer an authentic street food experience, many dedicated shops and chains also specialize in Taiwanese fried chicken. These establishments often have a more consistent quality and expanded menus. They are a good choice if you prefer a sit-down meal or are looking for a reliable option. Taiwan has several popular chains, including Hot Star Large Fried Chicken. This chain is famous for its supersized GP, often larger than your head. It is a popular choice for first-timers due to its consistent quality and widespread locations. You can find Hot Star in many cities across Taiwan. They also have international branches. Jiguang Fried Chicken. Known for its flavorful popcorn chicken, Yen Suji, Jiguang is another household name. Their small, crispy chicken bites are addictive. They often serve them with crispy basil. It is perfect for sharing or as a quick snack. Taiwanese fried chicken has also gone global. You can find dedicated shops in many major cities worldwide. For example, in North America, cities like Los Angeles, New York, and Vancouver have many options. Look for independent shops that pride themselves on authentic Taiwanese flavors. Many Asian grocery stores also have food courts with solid fried chicken stalls. A quick online search for Taiwanese fried chicken near me can often reveal hidden gems in your local area. Making Taiwanese fried chicken at home, tips and tricks. Making Taiwanese fried chicken at home might seem tricky, but it's totally doable. With a few key tips, you can recreate that amazing crispy, flavorful chicken right in your own kitchen. It all comes down to how you prepare and cook the chicken. Marinating for maximum flavor. The secret to truly delicious Taiwanese fried chicken starts with the marinade. This step is where all the magic happens taste-wise. You want the flavors to soak deep into the chicken, not just sit on the surface. Here's how to get the most out of your marinade. Time it right. For thin pieces of chicken breast, like those used for GPay, a marinating time of at least 30 minutes is good. But if you have the time, letting it marinate for 2 to 4 hours in the fridge makes a big difference. For thicker cuts or bone-in pieces, you can even go overnight, 8 to 12 hours. The longer it sits, the more flavor it absorbs. Pound it thin. If you are making a large fried chicken cutlet, pound the chicken breast evenly to about a ½ inch thickness. This helps the marinade penetrate all the way through. It also ensures the chicken cooks evenly and quickly. Don't skip the basics. Always use fresh garlic and ginger in your marinade. Their pungent flavors are key. Also, use a good quality soy sauce and rice wine. These ingredients form the backbone of the flavor. Massage it in. After adding all your marinade ingredients, use your hands to really work the marinade into the chicken. This helps tenderize the meat and ensures every part is coated. Think of it like a gentle massage for your chicken. Following these steps ensures your chicken is packed with flavor from the inside out before it even hits the fryer. Achieving the perfect crispy texture. The crispy texture is what truly sets Taiwanese fried chicken apart. It's that satisfying crunch that makes you want another bite. Getting this right involves specific coating and frying methods. Here's how to get that signature crispiness. The sweet potato starch magic. Do not use regular flour or cornstarch. Sweet potato starch is essential for that unique, bubbly and incredibly crispy crust. It absorbs less oil than wheat flour, giving you a lighter, less greasy result. Double dip for extra crunch. After marinating, lightly dip your chicken pieces in a little bit of water or beaten egg. Then, immediately place them into a bowl of sweet potato starch. Press the starch firmly onto the chicken, making sure every surface is covered. Some recipes even suggest a second, lighter dip into water and then starch again for an even crispier outcome. Fry at the right temperature. Heat your oil to precisely 350 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 to 190 degrees Celsius. If the oil isn't hot enough, the chicken will be greasy and soggy. If it's too hot, the outside will burn before the inside cooks through. Use a kitchen thermometer to check the oil temperature. Don't overcrowd the pot. Fry the chicken in batches. Putting too much chicken in the oil at once will drop the temperature too quickly. This leads to less crispy chicken. Give each piece enough space to fry properly. Consider a double fry. For ultimate crispiness, especially with larger pieces, try a double fry. Fry the chicken once for about 4 to 5 minutes until cooked through but still light. Remove it and let it rest for a few minutes. Then, increase the oil temperature slightly and fry it again for 1 to 2 minutes until deeply golden and extra crispy. This second fry pushes out any remaining moisture and makes the crust incredibly crunchy. Season immediately. As soon as the chicken comes out of the hot oil, sprinkle it generously with your desired seasonings. The heat helps the spices adhere better. This also brings out their full aroma. Taiwanese fried chicken is a global favorite. Taiwanese fried chicken has truly become a global favorite for good reason. From its unique sweet potato starch coating to the aromatic 5-spice marinade, it offers a flavor and texture experience unlike any other. This iconic street food is more than just a tasty snack. It represents a vibrant culinary tradition, constantly evolving from bustling night markets to international restaurants. It remains a beloved comfort food and a delicious symbol of Taiwan's rich food culture. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.